Today winner bus runner today B team 7/7/2024 na oru nimishama today runner of B team runner Mr. Bagruddin and Mr. Yakya Bhai avargal, chief guest Mr. Shankar sir and Mr. Magesh sir. B team runner up Mr. Bagruddin and Yakya Bhai. Presentation Mr. Shankar sir and Mr. Magesh sir. Ore Sharna abhi irunga konja smile please. Okay, thank you Mr. Magesh sir and Shankar sir. And A team runner up winner next to them. A team runner up Mr. Vinod and Praveen. Presentation Mr. Ravi and Rajana vana Ravi and Rajana ரெண்டு பேரு வெக்கப்படுறாரு இவர் குடுக்கிறது கூட. A team runner Praveen and Vinod. Presentation Mr. Ravi and Mr. Rajana. Smile. Ready? Okay. Thank you Mr. Ravi and Rajana. அடுத்து next Kaushal. B team winner Mr. Suresh and Mr. Kumar. Presentation Dana Kaushal and Mr. Shankar. Ravi presentation Ravi and Shankar sir. Sorry, Shivaguru Mama and Shankar sir. B team winner. B team winner. Okay. Thank you Mr. Shankar sir and Shivaguru Mama. A team winner Kishore and Ravi. A team winner Kishore and Ravi. Presentation Ravi and Shankar sir. A team winner Mr. Shankar and Ravi. Thank you Mr. Shankar and Ravi. Thank you அப்படியே இருங்க. இண்டிவிஜுவல் போட்டோ எடுத்துக்கலாம்.